It's officially a new year, and that means a new and improved routine. I'm making it my mission to swap out my commonly used items with non-toxic alternatives. Stick around to see what I swap out today, and look out for the secret emoji hidden in this video. If you're new here, I'm Drop, and this channel is all about wellness. For dinner, I made a homemade Mediterranean bowl inspired by kava with super greens, Brussels sprouts, black lentils, lion's mane mushroom, minced garlic, pickled red onions, hot honey hummus, orange spice olives, yellow rice, and naan bread. I'm making myself some lemon balm and elderberry tea with ashwagandha, which is plenty relaxing. I get the best sleep when I use ashwagandha, and tonight I added mugwort for an extra boost. Also, mugwort gives me very lucid dreams, and those are always fun. I added lemon juice as well because a little sinus infection was going around the house, and I don't want that. No, thank you. One thing I'm swapping out this year is candles and perfume air fresheners. Instead, I'll be using my diffuser with phthalate-free essential oils. Migraines run in my family, and a big contributor to migraine headaches is inflammation in the head or brain, and toxic fragrances, waxes, and oils increase the inflammation. So my space is a no candle zone. Now I need to quickly hop in the shower. I am always looking for things that can make my routines more convenient, and I believe I have found one. This is a Zomchi soap bag. Not only does it preserve and protect your soap, it doubles as a gentle exfoliating loofah. I am guilty, okay? I am, and I can admit, I am that girl that takes a bit longer to get ready, okay? But this cuts minutes off of my showers because I don't have to use my soap and rag to demonstrate the birds and the bees before I can wash up. I just add water, scrub, and then hang it up. Yes, you can give the soap a little massage if you want to, but by the time you wash your first arm, you'll have all the lather you need. So you might as well just save your time and energy. Zomchi's products are reusable, sustainable, and create zero waste. This is not a sponsored video. I just actually really love this product. I want to give a huge thank you to Zomchi for reaching out and making me aware of their products. I've linked their Amazon store in the description if any of you guys want to try out the soap bag. For feminine wash, I'm using unscented Castile soap. This is a mild cleanser with no fragrances or additives. You can honestly use any Dr. Bronner's from head to toe. The only one that irritated me a bit was the lavender soap, so I wouldn't recommend using that one around your lady bits. But the unscented soap, I can really do a good wash with zero worries. Last thing before I dry off, I'm going to use some shea butter. I'm using lemongrass, witch hazel under my arms, and then I'm going to warm up my lymph nodes so I can gua sha my face.
Take a couple sick days and I miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. How it's decorated. This thing is getting one-sided. I can't even lie to you. talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. Y'all never come to me. It's been months, it's been too long, long, baby, you know. Fuck what you're doing now, quit doing that right.
I'm going to remove this pimple patch so we can finish some skincare. I like to leave the pimple patches on when I gua sha, so I don't pop it or accidentally get the pimple all over the rest of my face and spread the pimple. I'm washing my face with this unscented Dr. Bronner's Castile soap just to give myself a nice gentle wash before I move on to my serums. I retwisted my hair too tight. This hurts. If you know, you know. Un momento. My edges are screaming. It's these right here. I drank a lot of menstrual herbs this month. I had a lot of hormonal breakouts and I'm dealing with the scarring from it. I don't know if you guys could see this, but this was a big fat pimple and like my forehead broke out pretty bad. So, and I also was spending a lot of time in the sun. I need to get rid of these dark spots. I have a trip coming up and I'm just trying to get everything together before I go out of town, because who wants to be looking busted and crusty when you're out of town? No thanks. So I'm going to use my lemongrass witch hazel, which has 2% salicylic acid in it, and it is blemish clearing, but it's also exfoliating, so it'll help get rid of those dark spots. And I don't want to overdo it because I have another serum that I'm going to be using, so I'm just drying it off a little bit before I put it on. You guys know I always have this dilemma of I never know what order to put the Mighty Patch on. I think I want to use the serum on this blemish, so I'm going to do it after. So this is neem oil, coconut oil, and vitamin C. Neem is very good for clearing up dark spots as well. Vitamin C is great for brightening the skin, but it's better if you were to take it orally. I do take vitamin C and that helps give my skin a nice glow, but it can throw off your hormones a little bit, so I try not to do too much of that. Also, fun fact, this is a good form of birth control. I'm going to use it on my face today. And neem oil does not smell that good. However, the combination of it with the coconut oil and the vitamin C is not too bad. And we'll see. Usually I have like some pretty crazy reactions with coconut oil, so I'll have to see how this goes. Normally I would use jojoba, but I didn't have very much. If you watched one of my recent shower routines, you heard me talking about running out of my retinol and using a natural alternative. This is the natural alternative that I'm trying out in place of buying a retinol serum from the store. And if it goes well, I'll keep using it. It feels good though. That feels amazing actually. Mighty Patches. I feel like I want to go on a little detox right now. I feel like right now would be the perfect time to do it before I go out of town. Oh, yeah, see, it's slipping and sliding. I should have put it on before the serum, but you see, the thing about it is I wanted the serum to work on it. So hopefully it stays in place. So now I'm going to lock in that serum with some Aquaphor and I found a recipe to replace this, so I'm going to be trying it very soon. And I'm almost out of this. I wouldn't say almost out of it. This will last me maybe a month or two, but I don't like wasting stuff, so I try to make sure I'm like done with one thing before I move on to the next, because if I make my own replacement for this and I don't finish this, I will not use it and I'll just end up throwing it away. So I'm just gonna finish using this and then I'll make the alternative, and I'll probably show you guys that on this channel. This one though, this bottle, I don't know if it's because I keep the heat on in my room or what, but can you guys even understand what I just said? I don't know if I keep the heat, if it's because I keep the heat. What is going on? This olive bar has been really runny and it's really annoying because it's not giving what it's supposed to give. Skincare is done. I'm gonna drink my tea and watch some TV, and I actually want y'all to come with me tonight, so come hang out with me.